Good morning everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today is Ant's birthday. He's 31
We don't tell everyone.
Well, they can look back and last year's one was his 30th. So, I wasn't actually gonna vlog this and I was like, why not?
Look up there, we'll look up for Nanny's car.
But we are at a table. And we are out for breakfast because it is his request, yes?
Yes.
We have dinner planned later and he was like, can we go for breakfast? And I was like, yes. Well, a few days ago. You can in the video. You can say hi. You can say hi? Boo wants to say hi. Come here.
Hi.
There we go. What Boo found? Found blackberries. Well, some of them are red at the moment, but then they'll turn black. But we can't pick them because literally it's where cars park, obviously, in the exhaust fumes and stuff. But yeah, good spot, Boo, good spot. What did you get? Ooh, Cocoa Pops. And then I got myself some strawberry yogurt. And I got some apple juice. And Aunt got me a tea. Boo got banana and lots of fruit in here. And a croissant. Yes, you did.
All of it.
And a croissant.
No banana.
Damn it.
No banana.
Oh no, is it gone?
In my tummy.
Yeah! Yeah, there's a croissant. And she has also juice.
Yeah.
Mum's got juice, Aunt's got juice, everyone's got juice. Dad had juice and fruit.
I've eaten none of it.
Yeah. Has got a croissant. Yay! So, after waiting about 45 minutes, it's very busy. 50?
Nearly an hour.
Oh, nearly an hour. We have eaten continental bits in between, but we wanted to be out by almost now. But anyway, it's okay because we're having a good time. So, we have our food. We're just waiting for Boo's food. She's just sort of waiting. So, this is our food.
Nice. Look at the beans.
I need to video my
Mum's food. Yum, yum, yum.
Please. And condiments, thank you.
And this is Aunt's food. There's so much. Yeah, looking forward to it.
Hey, where's my scrambled egg?
And then this is mine, and this is Boo's. Unfortunately, they couldn't do scrambled egg because it's made with milk. But we still can't even start because I think he's gone to find some, but we didn't have any cutlery on the table. So we are waiting for that. We can eat now. I ate my food. Did you enjoy your lunch? Breakfast? Well, we're getting confused now because it's more like brunch, but...
I did, I'm just having my...
Can I tell you that
A yogurtino. Nice. You got your little Levinses.
I thought I'd have a little yogurt just to sweeten up the dinner. Breakfast.
Sweeten it up. It's supposed to be savoury. It's like a pudding. A breakfast pudding.
It's my birthday, well, that's easy.
No, I know. Just saying, breakfast pudding. There's no badge. I forgot to find a badge. Although yesterday I was going to get a balloon and stuff, but the traffic was really bad. There was an accident and it was backing up everywhere. So I just about got home actually. So Aunt and my dad are going to the house to start doing the floor, and you'll see when we get there as well. And me, Boo and Mum are going to Wix to get some more gloss because we're this low. And there's a little threshold thing that goes between. But yeah. The carpet and the flower. Yeah! We are at Wix. So this is where we got our lamelette from. And look, there's not a lot left because we took a lot of it, but this is the one we're getting. It's really nice. Ooh. So this is where the carpet bit goes with the gripper. And this is where the laminate bit goes, because it's flat.
What size does it say it is?
Yeah.
Oh,
Here,
90mm.
we got what we need and some paint. And now back. We're going to go to get a Costa because it's Saturday, it's our frap day, but we're going to get a Costa. And then to the house. We're at the house. Stop trying to... He's trying to hoover my bottom. Oi! It's quite loud right now, but I'll show you what they've done so far. I'll show you what they've done so far. Ooh. They've cut up a lovely, beautiful carpet. Not lovely or beautiful. So we are going out for dinners. I feel like my face was orange. I'm not even wearing that much makeup. Anyway, we parked in a spiral car park. It's like, it's really strange. Everything's round, obviously, but yeah, as you can see, it's really weird. It's in Ipswich, basically, but yeah, and there's like a 5-minute walk or something to Spoon. We're going to Spoon, but yeah, it's wet. It must have been raining here. But yeah, I've redone my hair. I'm not a fan, but my hair looks really flat, but we're not really sure where we're going because we've never been. So, but we're excited. It's basically a buffet. If anyone doesn't know, and you get like lots of different types of foods, basically. And yeah, I will vlog, obviously. That's why I'm doing this. It looks really cool here. Looks fancy. And when we got here, we paid first, which is fine, obviously, it's just the way they work. And then I presume we sort of just go and get a plate or something. And
I have to buy drinks at the bar.
oh, that makes sense. And so it doesn't include drinks, and then drinks are at the bar extra. It'd be really awkward because I want to vlog, but I don't know if they'll tell me to stop because I can't see anything around. But also, I want to like hold my food with both hands, so I'm not sure how we're going to do it. So, this is what I first. This is, instead of being duck, I think it's called pork. Got the spring onions and the cucumber. This is Singapore noodles, which are really nice, and because the other ones have gluten in. And then I've got, I have some special fried rice here, and then obviously the pancakes for this, and then yeah, Shanghai chicken and noodles, and Boo had like pasta and noodles and bits and bobs, and then over there there's the usual,
really nice.
the usual.
Granddad's having spicy chicken.
Oh, spicy chicken and chips and things, and then Mum had pancakes, crispy pancakes. This is your third, isn't it?
Second.
Oh, it is your second. So this is Ant's second. These are really nice, and then I'm not sure what that is. Sweet and sour chicken and
It's literally just come out. And it's
oh, is it really hot? And then the noodles. Boo got these things, and then there's she got lemons. She loves lemons. And then some what are these noodles? Udon noodles.
They look
like little worms.
well.
And she had some lemon chicken. And then over there, I'm not sure, there's some bits and bobs. Oh, Dad's got pizza now. Woohoo! I would have had pizza, but they don't have any gluten-free pizza, and this is what I've got. So I got a few chippies, didn't want too many. I got a couple of bits of cucumber. This steak, literally made up for me. There's no sauce that I like there, but it's got salt and pepper on there. And then they do have gluten in them, but I can't imagine them having loads because I tried one and they are so good. So good. You enjoying yourself? So we are on pudding, but literally I went to the chocolate fountain to get some fruit, and they like have well, next to the chocolate fountain they have marshmallows. I don't really like marshmallows, so I was like, oh, I'll put some grapes. And then I was like, oh, I'll put some apples as well. And then he told me off because you put it under the chocolate, it like puts like a syrupy type of thing in the fat. Anyway, I was like, okay, sorry, my bad. But it looks good. It tastes really good. So I just had some apples with the chocolate, and then I was like, oh, I need to film. Oh, they've gone hard because the grapes are cold. And then Boo has a freshly made pancake. I wish I could have shown you how they made it. It was so cool. And like there was syrup and sugar on there. It was really, really cool. Oh, Ant's back. What'd you get? Ooh, this is like a bit of like an eat and messy type thing.
It's a strawberry cheesecake.
Cheesecake? That's not cheesecake.
I'm hoping it's like the one from the cookies.
Strawberry sponge. The cheesecake is the little pink one.
It might be strawberry gatto.
Could be that. Good? Yeah. So, turns out that the grapes had pips in. They weren't seedless grapes. So, even like the green ones. Thank you, baby. And any time I like, and like both white, green and red grapes had them, and so I was like, they didn't taste good. It was crunchy, and like I was like, no. So I got my ice cream a bit earlier. So I got chocolate, and I presume it's chocolate and mint. It looks really yummy, and I'm going to eat it. How was that?
Very, very nice. I'm very full.
Yes, we are very full. There's like a 2-hour window, and ours was booked for 5:30, and we literally had like our third plate by like 6:20. And I was like, is that it? So we're gonna head to the loo and then make a move. And it's raining, and I only have this, so I might get a little bit wet. Hey everyone, so I didn't end yesterday's vlog for some reason, but hey. It's now the next day. Well, I mean, presume you can tell that. And we literally stayed at our house for like the first time. We just have this bed, just, you know, so a nice chill night. Watched like, did we watch Netflix or we watched? Oh no, we watched the Trey Hands on their 50 states in 50 days for St. Jude's, and it's amazing, isn't it? It's so good. But if you haven't seen it, go watch it. But yeah, I'm sure many of you have because he has like millions of subscribers. But yes, and yeah, so it was like nice and chill and stuff, and we didn't have anyone going "Mom" in the middle of the night, so it's just like a night off almost. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. How did you find your birthday?
It was really good. I had a good day. Very good day.
I'm glad. But yes, we had a very nice day, and yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. It'll be really, really lovely. And we will see you in our next video. Yeah.